sick if you can. Me not fuck you yet.
Yet?
Yet.
Yet?
But me I think we fuck you.
Yet?
I be good.
What?
Hurry up, pop, pop, pop. I'm gonna widen here.
Excuse
Me what in? So when bite me up your night, and me have got to
What?
pain and agony, you know, so me I tell you.
No,
yeah.
man, no rat bite that, man.
Me say if I no sleep with them, I under here, so me throat cut. Man, me tell the world. If I no sleep with them, my finger, and my hand under my neck, my throat cut like dog.
But, let me see back in a yard.
See there, a rat bite round it, brother, and cut
No,
the
sir.
skin end down. Oh, Lord, God.
So you know, so you saw the rat bite it?
Eh?
You saw the rat bite it?
My youth, when them a bite you, you can't feel it.
Yeah, them all blow up on you, them blow up on you and dead your flesh.
Blow up on your body, you know, a bite them a bite you after, you know, because them cramp you.
But if I did so, them bite, I will hold it down there still.
Well, me no know.
And I rat that man. I go to machete cut you when you walk, man.
No, no machete no cut some man. See where you have teeth, every bite I go down on my finger. Look at me at the finger, boy. Right now, I'm holding on my finger, you think I antibiotic and you up.
But if rat bite you, have you got a doctor, you know?
Why, if I figure out now for kill me then, no? Well, me no go no doctor, you know, I go show you world, so me no figure a doctor, you know?
What, mate?
But, yo, actually, a boy I wouldn't know them said from man, but me I go show you world, so.
Rat bite dangerous in a line.
Yeah, me say it a burn me right now like pepper. But the antibiotic cream I heal you up back, man.
Rat bite dangerous, man. A dangerous thing.
How you put on it for you? Even one band-aid. The one band-aid no man cover, you know.
Yeah, go look.
Yeah,
look
man,
second
you
gear.
want bandage.
But you have to go a doctor, man. I can't go a doctor.
Well, I use your day, man. Keep on here, man. It's good, man.
You have to get antibiotic, man, when you bite you.
Let me get some and me put on him, man.
No, it pill them you have to get an injection.
Shotgun. If you bought one down there, be good. Kick out the door and take it out. If you must scar you out, man. Wash you out. Roots and onion and everything. Clean you up back. And get it back in ready. And we have 100 million blood clot US. Our money make them more run. How man make man rich? Them sing about love of man and them rich. Poor crime. Now fuck with me head, you know?
I'm Jerry.
Yes.
I feel like Anish.
You want to fuck?
Yeah.
It's a taxi and come fuck me. Yeah, man, I still want to fuck. Husband, you gonna have 1,000 for the year. Then a taxi and come fuck me.
I want Jerry on the yard again.
Oh, you don't want him here? Oh, she don't want
No.
him here.
Because I say, go plant a garden.
No, because her boyfriend didn't know that boy that want me show you.
Me a friend know my blood clot when you start get bad. You want me key up? My friend know up front. And money, my want. Woman I
But
make
the
man
man go
rich.
there, they cannot go
No,
there.
me never meet him. The one to win.
Oh, if you meet him yet?
I don't mind me. Me never fuck her yet. Let you fuck me yet. That girl is a mad girl. That girl is a mad girl. And I'm a mate. And me and I never fuck it. Or for me, she be me mate.
The two lie, Rosalie come here one night and rain a fall.
And that girl is an illusion. Or some fiction. See if you can. Me not fuck you yet.
Yet?
Yet.
Yet?
But me I think we fuck you.
Yet?
I be good.
What?
Hurry up, pop, pop, pop. I'm gonna widen here.
Excuse me?
Yeah, man.
Oh,
The man never fuck you.
excuse?
The audience say,
Pardon?
I be good if you're endorsing.
What you talk about?
Be good, Papa Cocky.
Oh,
The audience, the fans,
your fans.
your fans,
Oh, your fans.
your fans, your fans.
Be good for who?
Yo,
Oh, you.
yo. The fans them say, for wine the better.
Excuse?
Your fans them say, I'm here for fuck.
Who?
Your fans. You know the fans. Them take me out there.
Hello.
No tell them. No tell me.
So when you bring it to
Them
me
take
for?
me out there. Me
You know, say you smell the crutches from out there. You smell the
No,
crutches.
you want the fans. Fans.
You smell the
1
crutches.
million man want fuck you, better them give me a million euros. $1 million man.
Me no want
to
a
fuck
man.
you.
I don't want any.
No, they fuck them. Me have a shotgun they do.
Me not. You can't pimp
There's
me
your
out.
pimp.
You cannot pimp me
I have a
out.
shotgun. And I have ball too much and a big one.
Excuse?
Yeah, man.
Molly?
Yeah.
Balling
Me
what?
a pimp, you know. I have a shotgun.
You can't pimp me out.
What you mean? I get $1 million. They want to fuck you.
Excuse?
1 million. Excuse what? $1 million man want to fuck you. And each of them want to give me $1 million US. They're gonna get rich. One
Why,
fuck can't kill.
What you mean one? Man, the day can't go down.
I'm not responsible. I got to say, man. Fuck her. You just put a sky in the yellow, you want cocky big good. Big good as come. You want
She's
cocky.
pregnant now.
You're pregnant already? So quick. You're not cheap. You're pregnant. You're breathing. You
Yeah.
have 2 daughters. A son in your belly, in your home. I want son in there.
Yeah.
You ready for that? Or you be so quick and get ultrasound. Now fuck with the head. You know. Or you know sound.
The boy agreed me.
Yeah, but you don't know sound. You have to know that son. I'm
The
going
boy
to
pick
do
me
that.
more.
Yeah, I want boy too. The boy now we are going to war. War is business. We want that boy can only can go war.
So you're going to be the stepfather?
Yeah, man, I'm going to be everything, man. If I never give you away to him when I get married, I get married.
Are you girl? So I'm to our father?
Yeah, father? Father, well, you know, I never give you away when the married time comes. Remember me up on the wedding. So, a boy in your home. A boy in your home. And he belongs to the States. I'm going to war. Come short a man worldwide, everywhere. I lose man. I want a twin boy in there.
So when you go down there, you still have a big belly?
Yeah, man, I've been a big long time. You're not going to know say you breed. Unless me and you know say you breed, the public know say you breed.
No, them not.
Yeah, you're big. I tell you something, I take the whole over the world. Before the love I'm fuck on me, because I'm shot a man worldwide, and the man then belongs to war. War is business, war is business, part is business. So you sit down on big pussy, somebody own all about the place.
How you call that?
One of them. Not Jamaica all, but me I lose, man. Me I lose, man, that gas.
Alright, talk
Lord
about
of my
that.
place.
Oh, Rosalie?
So she go on a date, so she have pedicure and all those shit.
They're fine.
And you and I never go on a date yet.
I mean, I'm going to find I'm a lady friend.
All of a sudden, so?
Which all of a sudden, because last she give me 25,000.
Jerry,
I mean, I know she gonna give me 5,000.
Jerry,
Hey, yo, this woman. So I'm 5,000 already.
you have to adjust her now as Akeem wifey.
You're fine, don't worry about that.
So
This
say-
woman,
no, I say-
leave me alone,
I
Nana.
say because her Akeem wifey.
This woman.
Akeem wifey.
Now, wait, tell me now. This woman.
Akeem wifey.
Leave me, now, man. I know me. This woman.
Akeem wifey.
I let you put my bumper on.
I eat this seat right to say Akeem wifey. She name.
Oh, fine, wonderful.
Call her so.
She named this woman.
No.
No,
I
that's
keep
this woman.
wifey.
Fine, I keep wifey. No.
Okay.
I'm 5,000 you give me?
I just the money in the pot.
Yeah, me pay money, me love your money. Alright. So what time you come for Saturday?
She call you.
Call me, me have your number, but me not have. You have my number?
She have a number. She
Fine.
call.
Call me.
Yeah. I mean, walk come for that and go buy my blood class Saturday night.
No, you can't complete.
And nobody got woman here early.
You come and
time?
tell them.
What time?
Come when they come as daylight, like the way they were the last time.
Wait,
I walk in the place like I live there.
Yeah, I mean, me see you, you know. They're my kind man, they see you with you, man. I'm a place.
We don't walk to the people place like I live in there.
Now go sit there. Do you know about to see you?
We said that Jerry walk to the house like he live in there. We don't look funny, man.
Hey, yo. I'm about to see you, you know. You know about to see you. I'm about to see you. Let me tell you. I'm a minute.